doing? Don't be alarmed. I'm Will Coburn with the Jan Ritchie team of Keller Williams Realty, and obviously you're a fan of the Highlands and Kingsridge, or you wouldn't be jogging in the neighborhood. Well, it's a perfect neighborhood, 5-star neighborhood, #1 on safety and family friendly in Plano, and I happen to have a listing for you. It's 6905 Cabot Court. That's a white interior. Are you interested in seeing it? It's creepy, is it? Perfect. Let's go check it out. Let's see if anybody's home.
Hi.
Hi. How you doing? I'm Will Coburn, your realtor.
Oh.
Can you give me a tour of your house? All right, let's go. Whoa! You can really get a good look at all the gorgeous hardwoods downstairs. Wow! Look at all the room up here. This master bathroom is newly updated.
Mommy,
Yeah, and actually there's cubbies in the closet if you like a good shoe collection. So this house has it all, and you can check it out this Saturday and Sunday. Saturday from 11 to 1, and Sunday from 2 to 4, where I will be here and show you your custom-made closet shoe cubbies. To see the full-length video, go to janritchie.com. Check out my YouTube channel.
Bye.
Oh, bye-bye.